right, everyone, my dad's in town for Thanksgiving, and one of the fun activities that I've alluded to is you doing some 0 to 60 tests in the CRX.
Oh my God.
Do you know why I want to do this? Do you remember?
Beats me.
Back in the day, my dad used to go on this little industrial road and he would do 0 to 60 tests in his Honda Prelude. And when I was a kid, he'd have me hold the stopwatch and press start and stop.
I thought that was by
I'm gonna bleep that out. I don't want people knowing your stomping grounds. But anyway, this is, it should feel pretty similar to the Prelude.
Yeah, okay, good. I'm anxious.
Yeah.
I'm ready, and we'll do it.
It's got VTEC.
Yeah.
All right, so before we take this thing out, it's starting to get dark. I got a clip. I picked my dad up in the G80, gave him a little surprise launch in that thing. What'd you think of the giveaway G80?
The giveaway?
Yeah, that's a giveaway car that you just rode in.
We rode in? Oh, a little bit sluggish, but it was fine. You know, I mean, I'm not used to it. But you know what? You could do something to make it a little bit peppier, I'm sure.
I'm trying to get people to enter for a chance to win that thing.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. That car was awesome. My God. It almost really, I mean, do you remember what I said to you? I think we have to go to the chiropractor, what you did to my neck when you floored it.
All right, Dad, what do you think of the M3 so far?
Is this the M3 that we're in?
Yeah, do you like it?
Other than it has a very low grill, I've noticed you've had to take the easy way out on some of these roads, which I don't blame you, of course.
You think it's pretty fast?
Not the way you're driving.
What are you saying?
No, I mean, think you've been driving like an older man. You know, I mean, compare it to me, as an example.
Man.
Listen, you know your car is probably a little better than me, but not much. The M3 has a lot of good qualities that I can see, and I would understand why you bought it. But there's a lot of negative things about this vehicle.
Like what?
Oh, it's loud. It hurts your neck.
The left lane to merge onto State Road.
It really hurts your neck, Adam. I don't know if you're aware.
Are you all right?
No, we can go to the chiropractor.
Is it a little faster than you expected?
Yes.
That's funny.
It's not necessary. We'll still get to the same place. Take it easy.
Not bad for a big, heavy car, right? Are you vlogging?
Yeah, and it worked.
What do you think of the old engine?
Oh, nice. VTEC.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between the Prelude and this engine?
This is a B18. The Prelude is an H22. Okay. This would have been out of an Integra, I believe. Okay. So this is a 1.8 where the Prelude's a 2.2. Got it. This one likes to rev a little more. Probably similar power.
Where's your nearest bathroom? Over there in the other room?
We don't have those here.
Yeah, where's the bathroom in the other room?
Yeah, I'll go with you.
I don't know where we're going with these things.
No, I don't know either.
Yeah. If you want me to sell it, I won't say anything bad.
You can just be on it. Hopefully this thing starts. How do you fit? You fit all right?
Yeah.
Just like the Prelude?
Exactly. Except it's not the same color.
Clutch is a little touchy, but you got it. I don't know why I'm so excited for this. For those of you that don't know as well, my dad looks incredibly good for his age. Dad, how old are you?
184.
But in actual years?
Oh, 84.
No one ever believes me when I tell them because you act like you're 16.
Well, I tell them 184 because then they say, I look good for my age.
You do look good for your age.
184.
It's a cable clutch, that's why it's so touchy.
Wow.
You tried to bump start it?
Yeah.
Almost worked. Yep, there you go. I hope it'll do 60 in second gear. Because third gear you can't shift into. It just grinds. This is an Integra motor and an Integra transmission. Alright, let's go set up your course.
This is it, folks. This is what he wants me to do. Oh my God.
Don't act like you're not going to have fun.
It will be fun.
But this should be plenty of room and you got plenty of time to stop.
Okay.
Alright, whenever you want to do a test hit, I'm ready.
Start straight or you start on the curve?
I usually will start there and I'll keep on accelerating and then I'll slow down towards the end. So like I would always start at that end.
Oh really?
Yeah, because then you always have the runoff to slow down. Do whatever, bang gears. Yep, go! Yeah! That was good! That was good!
Yeah, but I peeled out and lost something at the beginning.
Oh, that's okay. Sometimes it's more fun to just do a big peel out. Does it feel faster than the Prelude?
Yes.
Yeah, do your thing. you got that gear, you have no idea how stoked people will be. All right, just grab the gear hard. You got it. I think you got to go a lot longer to hit 60, but I don't want to make you go faster than you feel comfortable with. You went 45, but yeah, I mean, but who cares? You're having fun.
Hey lady, you want to ride? Jesus Christ.
That's so funny. All right, so we've determined the 0 to 60 is a little bit too dangerous for him. Even going 45 miles an hour in the CRX is very nerve-wracking. So, hey, hold on one second. Dad, no. All right, Dad, you know what's about to happen? You don't know?
No, I have no clue.
You're about to do your first donuts in what, 6, 7 years?
Oh my God.
It's been a while.
Ready?
Yeah, just get it. Whoop. What's the curve? Dad. Okay. Oh my God. I'm the worst passenger than you.
Yeah.
Go figure.
Are you okay?
Yeah, okay. I think we should call it quits while we're ahead.
Oh boy.
You know which car it's gonna be?
Beats me. Which car?
This one right here.
The white one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I think it's white. That's what I think. BMW?
Mm-hmm.
No upholstery, no windows again?
It's a cheap car.
Jeez.
You can crash it and I won't even care. I'm not even gonna tell you what to do. I'm just gonna let you have fun.
Okay.
I'm not gonna give you any instruction, but I am gonna ride with you.
Okay.
You'll do great. Normal seatbelt, no fancy harnesses. Good distance?
Yep.
Press the gas, it'll shut the door. There you go. You know how to do donuts, so just be comfortable and like, obviously put yourself in the center.
I might want to move my seat a little bit forward. Just do it.
Yeah, try it. I don't know what's gonna happen. Use more gas.
I will.
Don't be afraid of rev limiter, it's okay.
How'd I do?
You're doing good, just use more gas and it won't stop. Don't be afraid to floor it, you're gonna need to with how little power it has. I mean, that's fine.
How's that?
That's good. A little bit tight.
Let's go into town, drive it into town.
Whatever you want to do. Try a big circle on the skid pad, yeah. You got it. You just gotta stay on the gas after you turn. She's peppy, huh?
Yeah.
Are you all done? You don't want to drive anymore?
Yeah, I think I'm done.
All right, here. I got a new job for you. I'm gonna have you film me with your camera and narrate, okay?
Okay.
All right, so my dad does not want to ride with me driving, so he's gonna hold the camera and he said he'll narrate for you guys. It doesn't look like you had fun.
I had a blast, I'll tell you. You know what? I can't remember since I've heard last had so much fun. Maybe yesterday? I don't know. But I'm gonna let you drive, Adam.
It's recording. All right.
Yeah.
I want you to narrate.
There we go.
Now you're recording.
All right, this is Adam Z. Here he comes. I believe this is him. Yes, that's him, folks. That's him coming in. I'm really scared. And he wanted me in the car with this. Forget it. You could still hear him. Look at that. To say. I figured he won't kill both of us at once. I figured when he gave 2 feet for my feet, I brought my feet over 4 feet from my body, so I came over here. I said, he wouldn't hit both of us, would he?
Narration good?
Well, you were going so fast, it was hard just to catch you. I think folks said, you know, the Adam LZ factor here today on Sunday was about as good as you get. You know, I mean, if you're looking for more than that, you're gonna need another driver, that's all. Yes, I'm recording right now, talking. Go ahead, do something.
I did all my tricks, that's all I know how to do.
All right, that's it, folks. We're gonna close this up for today, and but stay tuned for tomorrow. I know it's Monday, but
Play with your plane, remember.
yes, we can only do so much in one day, and I think what we've done today, had a nice breakfast, did a little driving, did a little recording. I don't know if this is actually gonna go on YouTube or Facebook or anything like that, but if it does, I just want to say it's a good time. Adam really, really knows how to entertain his dad. Really, really, you know, I'm blanking like that, you know.
Hey, you want to do a fun trick? If you stand in the middle, I can go around you.
Yeah, whatever. We're gonna do it whatever you want.
Let's go play with your plane.
Okay, time to put the toy away.
Wanna try it?
It needs to make more noise.
This controls your banks, and then this is the motor, so you can like control the rudders. But you can like drive around slow on the ground. If you crash it, I do not care at all. You gotta say thank you to Kyle from Boosted Boys. It was a gift from him, this plane.
Really?
Yeah.
We're next for takeoff.
That's where you're gonna take off?
Why am I aiming the grass?
Yeah! You're aiming at the trees right now. Maybe bring it over here and take off in a straight line. Oh. Go for it!
Alright, Chip, I don't want to take off because I don't know what I'm doing. No,
faster.
I don't want to go faster.
Faster, you're gonna go in the water!
I guess.
Oh, there you go. Pull up! He's in the air!
Oh my God.
Turn! There you go. Oh, you made it on the trees! Oh no, he's down! He's down! Alright, Dad, any closing words you want to give the viewers on this video?
Regarding what?
I don't know, just any closing
No,
words?
I'm really enjoying my trip here to Florida. You know, it's not every day that I get to get down here for Thanksgiving. I'm so glad in 2005 I was able to do it. I had wonderful hosts.
It's
guests.
2025.
What did I say?
2005.
Oh, close enough. 2025, 65, whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to my host guests, which is my son Adam and my daughter Julie, and my new friend, of course. And, you know, I mean, I think it was positive. The gun show was, I mean, awesome. It's really, you know, kind of filled up that day nicely and with some really good thoughts. You know, a lot of people are against the gun shows, but I don't want to go political in this particular, you know, interview because it'll go on and on and on. And when you're, you know, still thinking about George Washington, you know, it's like, oh, he's not around anymore. Anyway, thank you so much, everybody, for making this so pleasurable. And it's not even over. Who knows what's going to happen this afternoon? I might be here. I might not be able to fly out tomorrow. You never know. There's reasons that we don't want to discuss on this camera right now. Bye.
All right, to kind of wrap this up, I brought my dad over here because it's a bigger field because he was worried about trees. He got it up pretty high, and then like 3 seconds later, it got stuck in a tree. So we're gonna try to shoot it down with a paintball gun. Time to remind you guys that this is your last chance to take advantage of the Cyber Monday deals on Drift HQ, Sim HQ, and LZMFG. Got a whole lot of deals, and every $5 you spend is gonna get you entered to win the F80 M3 Drift car on Sim HQ and Drift HQ, and on LZMFG, of course, the X-Drive G80. Great way to support the brands and get entered for a chance to win something cool. Let's see if I can shoot this plane down.
What did you do?
I made a mess.
Oh God.
This is why I don't like paintballs. I'm real bad at it. Probably doesn't help that all ours are just old.
Yeah, these are a little stuck together here.
All right, let's see if that's enough to get it done. Straight up, huh?
I mean, it's paintball. It should go pretty
It
straight.
kind of exploded in my face a little. I'm supposed to be wearing eye protection, huh?
Yeah.
I hit it once.
Yeah.
I think I need to load up the hopper more. Oh, I hit the wing.
Yep. Oh, you broke it.
Oh, that's the wing!
That's the wing.
No! I can glue it back together. No, it doesn't look like it broke. It just came unclipped.
Oh, okay.
We're getting somewhere, I think. All right, round two, we're using the forklift. Oh, we got it! Oh, yeah! He's down, baby!
First hit.
First shot. It's broken. Let's see if we can fix it. Bring it down.
You said it's broken, Josh?
Oh yeah, she's. How many hits did she get underneath?
Oh my god. Yeah, she got butchered.
I'm a good shot, dude. I'm gonna fix her up.
Yeah?
All right. Oh, the battery's out.
Yeah, you kind of hit the internals there.
She's fixable. We'll get her right. At least all the parts are here.
Yeah.
Oh, the wing being broken though, that's gonna be a hard one. The
Yeah.
flap. You know, I may be missing a little bit more pieces than I thought, but we're still gonna do our best at gluing this thing back together and see if we can get her to fly. I think I've got a suitable glue job on everything. I'm missing one of these though, so we're gonna go look in the woods and see if we can find it. Other than that, I think tape will work here. It still allows it to pivot. I'm basically a pro with this. I'm just leaving the paint on for patina. This is a little flabby. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, but we'll let it ride. There's absolutely no reason for me to be doing this right now, but I wanted to end this video on a positive note of hopefully my plane flying again. After digging through the woods and scouring up as many pieces as I could, I have high hopes, as long as the motor doesn't fall out, that we'll have liftoff.
Look at the wing work too.
They work,
Yeah.
I think. Your tape worked.
Yeah.
Let's go try this. Oh, dude.
Is it money?
I'm just saying. I feel like it's a little slower than it was before, but
Oh, she's good. Oh, right into a tree.
we're still good, dude. Look at that trick, dude.
Damn.
Thanks, guys, for watching. I don't think I'm going to get into RC planes, but I'm not going to lie. This is pretty fun. I'm mad that it's taking me this long to start playing with it. That's what she said.
Do a flyby for the outro. Oh! Not the nose.
It gets really confusing because when it's coming at you, left is right and right is left. Not my nose cone.
Oh.
Oh, that was a bad hit. You think it'll still fly, or do I need to put it on?
It'll probably still fly, but it'll probably fly like shit.
I'll try. Oh, you don't need a nose cone.
Woo! Boys got tricks.
When you said,
Watch it go down. Okay.
when you said that you love me, that you love me, when you said,
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I think we should call it quits while we're at it.